Hi, I'm Dr. Sylvestre, and I'd like to tell you about an exciting opportunity we are offering through Focus and Flourish. It is our new mentorship program in surgery and anesthesia. This program is designed to help you build a rock-solid foundation so that as your experience grows, so does your confidence, your efficiency, and your good judgment. Ideally, there's going to be a seasoned clinician on the premises with you for your first few anesthetic and surgical experiences. This person can really help boost your confidence. They can show you how to position your hands when you're trying to break that suspensory ligament. This kind of information is invaluable for the inexperienced surgeon. But what that seasoned clinician may not be able to offer you that we can are some of those foundational concepts. What happens over time is we do things because, well, that's just how we do them. That's how our mentors taught us. That's how it's done in this practice. And then we tend to forget why maybe we do it that way. Efficiency in surgery and anesthesia is not about being fast. It's about reducing doubt and reducing hesitation. It comes from having the confidence in knowing why you're doing something and how you can easily change it to accommodate your patient in response to the situation that you're given. This program is designed to support your learning, answer your real-life clinical questions, and help you steadily improve your surgical skills in anesthetic planning. The best part about the mentorship program is that it's totally free to all Focus and Flourish members. So if you're ready to build your skills with purpose, we are here to support you and help you flourish.